In this video we are going to talk about how to make money with YouTube Shorts. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Short-form vertical video has been all over the internet since Snapchat introduced the format, which was then popularized by TikTok. Because of its stories and Reels features, Instagram was the first social media platform to adopt vertical video, and Facebook, which owns Instagram, cloned the format as Facebook Stories. TikTok has seen an explosion in popularity during the pandemic, with the average adolescent spending 80 minutes per day on the app. It appears that YouTube wants to get involved, as well. In a recent update, The Firm, which is a division of Google, introduced Shorts, a new feature that allows creators to publish short-form vertical videos to the site, incorporating a number of TikTok-like additions such as music, colorful text, and graphics to make them more appealing. A creator's shorts are displayed on their YouTube channel alongside their existing videos, and YouTube also makes these videos available in specialized parts of the YouTube app. What's the best part? YouTube has indicated that they are interested in assisting producers in monetizing shorts and transforming them into a reliable source of news revenue. In order to accomplish this, the firm has pledged to reward creators a minimum of $100 million for their shorts from now until 2022. You can monetize shorts even if you are not a member of the YouTube Partner Program, which means that shorts monetization is available to channels of all sizes, including small and new ones like you and me. A full guide is available on YouTube, which provides some ideas and motivation. To begin with, one of the goals of Shorts, according to the handbook, is to allow the next generation of creators. That's a significant hint. TikTok's biggest viewership is under the age of 20, and YouTube is most likely aiming for the same demographic. As a result, youth-oriented shorts are sure to sell well. Shorts are also described as bite-sized storytelling and the pleasure of short-form video in the guide. There are various hints there once again. Vertical video, in general, and TikTok, in particular, thrive on mini narratives that can be consumed in 30 to 60 seconds. It may be a dance-off, a pet dressed up for Halloween, someone receiving and unboxing a product, or you learning something new about your profession. In any case, the importance of storytelling cannot be overstated. How to make money with Shorts. A variety of ad formats are available for long-form YouTube videos, including pre-roll advertisements that can last several minutes, pop-over advertisements that appear over a video, mid-roll advertisements that appear in the middle of extremely long videos, and post-roll advertisements that transition from one video to another. The purpose of Shorts is to encourage viewers to jump from one video to the next in a short period of time. This leaves only a little amount of space for advertising. TikTok has done pretty well with promoted videos, generating an anticipated $1 billion in revenue by 2020, according to industry estimates. Promoted videos, on the other hand, make it more difficult to attribute ad revenue to specific producers because they appear between other creators' videos rather than on the same page as the video itself, as is the case with conventional YouTube advertising. YouTube developed the Shorts Fund in order to address this issue and encourage the widespread use of the new platform. Similarly to previous years, the fund will distribute $100 million to makers of shorts in 2021 and 2022. YouTube provides some suggestions as to how this will operate in practice. It is important to note that producers do not have to be YouTube partners in order to earn cash from Shorts. New creators are encouraged to join the platform in the same way as TikTok has done so. In the words of YouTube, anyone is eligible to join in the fund simply by making original shorts that entertain and thrill the YouTube community. The company claims that they will call out to thousands of creators whose shorts got the highest interaction and views each month, rewarding them with reimbursements from the Shorts Fund and asking for their feedback on the site. Alternatively, YouTube states that creators who are selected for a payout from the fund in a particular month can expect to get between $100 and $10,000 each month, depending on their shorts performance. If you qualify, you'll receive an email and a notification in your YouTube app during the first week of the month, and you'll have until the 25th of the month to claim your reward by setting up an AdSense account, if you don't already have one, and submitting your video. Each month, payments will be made between the 21st and 26th of the month. There is some suggestion that content must be original in order to qualify. Republished videos from TikTok with watermarks may not be eligible, and your channel may potentially be disqualified from receiving awards. If the requirements for qualification appear ambiguous, that is because they are. YouTube is refreshingly upfront about two parts of the Shorts program. They aim to monetize it in the long run, and they aren't sure how they will go about doing so at this point in time. YouTube plans to develop a long-term program specifically designed for YouTube Shorts monetization in the future, as well as expand our Shorts player across more surfaces on YouTube in order to increase the audience for Shorts, while also iterating on ads in order to better understand their performance. Essentially, YouTube appears to be stating that they intend to sell advertisements through Shorts in the future, but that they are still working on it. Most likely, they will need to initially entice marketers to the site. YouTube is seeding the pot with $100 million of its parent firm Google's money until a robust ad economy is established around Shorts, in order to ensure that creating Shorts is a worthwhile endeavor for producers. Another refreshing stance, given the fact that many platforms offer new features and ask content creators to create content for free in the hopes that income options would emerge down the road. YouTube is making it clear that if you participate in Shorts as a creator and do well, you will be compensated through the fund and will have the opportunity to monetize in a more sustainable way in the future. If you already have a YouTube channel, there is one more advantage to using Shorts. Subscribers who watch your short and then subscribe to your channel will be counted towards your overall number of subscribers, which will be useful when monetizing your channel, earning creator awards, and other activities. That's a significant amount of money. If you're going to establish a new YouTube channel, generating successful Shorts could be a quick method to reach the 1,000 subscriber level required for commercialization on the platform, even if you still have a long way to go before reaching the 4,000 view hours requirement for monetized channels. Shorts can be a terrific way for established creators to gain new subscribers, who will subsequently view your fully monetized long-form videos after they have subscribed. If any other firm introduced a new short-form vertical video platform, the majority of users would probably not give it a second thought. As a result of the fact that Shorts was developed by YouTube, which has an established reputation for being an extremely creator-friendly platform and boasts a big audience as well as the backing of Google, the new platform is a must-try for any video producer. The addition of $100 million in financial support is a generous and delectable icing on top of a delicious cake. If you currently generate short-form vertical video, or if you already have a YouTube channel, you should give Shorts a try. It might be a fantastic approach to further monetize your material, as well as to attract new subscribers and generate additional cash for your channel. This is an even better incentive to give Shorts a shot if you've never used YouTube before. Making a name for yourself on YouTube can be difficult at times, yet, with day one monetization and a potentially large reach, YouTube is providing previously unheard of incentives to new Shorts makers. Shorts also emphasizes mobile-first design. According to the guide, the first YouTube video was a brief clip shot at a zoo with a mobile aesthetic. Since then, YouTube videos have gotten more polished and professionally made. In some cases, this makes for fantastic content, but it can also turn off low-budget or novice creators who are concerned that if they don't have the right thumbnail or a professionally edited video, they won't be able to succeed on YouTube. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.